Hi, GC News. Mima Olivia Aquaba. Hadia, latest and hot news on Kwan Enamidi Bremo. And uti so we subscribe to the channel now. For more than say over subscribe to the channel. The other answer over click the subscribe button. Now a barely notification. We answer YouTube be upload with the first person of Zabeka Ayasabidi. I feel we are now like you give us a thumbs up, now feel. Shema of Froso now when you be here now and summer and Koso and Wagana Memohano. I feel young Gure and Sibin. I feel young share ye and summer abeto your Proso. Meet ye a year some Kumuya and Koso. It is answering.
Now the question is, are there na Ochehene or ye or hene of Achimufunina? Is that correct? Is that what it is supposed to be? Because I know so no Matisse say a so question mark a bedaho. Whereby other Achim groups, are questioning why or non-kwa aje title na boso as Ochehene. It will be interesting to know sa history so. How did it come about? Say ebuakwa hene ababeye Ochima nyina hene. Anyway, so.
Tiano, no copeding. So called parliament, the first parliament, what then a whole for him. I don't want to Tiano to Messrow. Assembly Becano, and this a beer, ye boa basu and ye boa chia, a year for a penny royal house. Martin for your bunny beer, Martin, I chim so good, a whole woman, son, you were buaka, and then they come as you were bossome and you walk to cook. Okay.
So, Monks Sunday, the same thing. Moses Sunday, the catch them was when it comes to the Ejapadia document in Komona Yebona, it has nothing to do with the two other Achim groups. It has everything to do with Ebuakwa Fuononkwa. And even when we come to Ebuakwa na, it enye Ebuakwa Fuonina. Because I believe say Ebuakwa Honokrano. There were different krum. Because Mekaipa say, also me catch them was the first time I'm a coach be Papa Wuye 2011. And then my first time in my life I'm a coach be. Na me opinion na me nya bofra. Na ma wo ma wo 2011 ya. Me kai say ye nam kwan so ayeko. Me na na frey. Or frey me phone. Me Ghana line. And no catch them me say me kan kire me maame no kwada me maame and me maame sister penyin na nam na ye yeko. Na ye kwa koda ye wie me papa ye na omo kwa koda ahemfofo na se. And I may say, me coach bi da into me no mobeko. And I me di wo machi. Ye kwa na me na frey ye wo kwan so. And no say me kan kire me maame no mo say ye kodru chebi hɔ a omo fa me nko me nananum kuroma nkasa because enye chebi ankasa ne ye free adedie ntem. Another brono bi wo hɔ a ye frɛ hɔ adedie ntem. Ɛhɔ ankasa ne ye free. Ɛna ye nananum ne free adedie ntem hɔ ebe settle wo chebi. Yeah. That is why Sunday no me be a video fire Japade no hono. Me common sense catch me say if ye impo na ene president Akufo-Addo AD president no say ye nkora no ya se na nkasa pe dia ya ka kire me no efri adedie ntem dia then it means say when it comes to the Japade document enye ebuakwafu nyina because ebuakwa ho no kora no ye wo brono and you cannot accuse all of them. Inti nkomo ya ye di very specific to Oforipenyin fie Akufo-Addo no mabusua fie Ken Ofori-Atta no mabusua fie because almost specifically and we believe say omo trust a Ejapade document and papaya can the same thing mama nko mechi kakra na yesenti bi
Akufo-Addo Oforipenyin right or then a home for him I don't want to Tiano into Messrow assembly Becano and this be ye bon abaso and ye bon wachia a ye de Oforipenyin royal house achim for ye boni bia achim so good a whole woman ye were buakwa and then ye can won asini ye were bosome and ye wo kotoku Akufo-Addo mo and the down kwamodiano a yachim buakwa and I make us a more be mlemo no mo to abama CPP o man to
Mate Kotoku achemfo nankasa na omoto omabama CPP eno na ema omoto tia JB Dankwa no ye hwea de pa president Akufo-Addo animguasia pa do wakofa de abre ono ane ho so when susuda se ade na ode ye Dr. Kwame Nkrumah no ebekwa akotwetwe ensem ade apie it is just a matter of time before achim kotokufo ne bosomefo no so be pagya wo mu because they are not going to take animguasia na opeso otwe omo nyina de ba mu bi no. Into we are chimney, na se wunya ebuakwani, na se u defende Akufo-Addo nom ewo ejapade document no ho a twe ho frim me megu ho animu ase because anya wasem ne ye ka the same way we MPP ni na we communicator na ya suma se bra na be defend ejapade document na so nyansa because ye betena na ye nka se MPP for na akotro document ye very specific ye si abusua baako bi e na atro sa ade we on person de fa oman no o de capture oman no e no mu use ba wo me a ento aso
ba madam kwa to abati ajebi dan kwa tutia no nti enenso ni o mo na people teacher bi woni ye no obey people so those days and there was our no one in the offer said no people teacher then tutia o mo tutia no that time they say ko bo bi say ko di 3 months ho ye campaign e ma ye tutia JB dankwa enti yamagana for ntia say na fenso bibibia sabusuya na hwehwe no omo mpemfa nko achimo hwe Rollins ba na yesi o yata ballistic and indeed he was Ghana there yesu no kreka ashe jani police ni be bia awafo nko na yefa won na nya ni fiefu
Mati President Rollins eba afoforo no na evefo nko a awonafo nko na ye tafa wo mo key positions. And all kind of President Rollins, JJ Rollins, no, you're very tribalistic. Or you're ever ni, until now, favor ever for. And until or no number, no, a new money be brain on a cop, I before. Oh, yeah, I be ni and a Voltarian and Quadia, ye befa will say, ya. And no catch ya wahano. However, what the ba Akufo-Addo no mu die yimwa, adia no ma ye no. Mo achim Kotokufo bosomefo ne even ebu akwafo no kora mo mududu sen e na mo benefit from eniama na Akufo-Addo no ma ba be ye nti mo ba beji ejapade document ntokwa aba be kumbi say yesi achemfo obi abomudin wa ha obi amomudin respectfully obi am me accuse mo nti wo ya achimni na wo ye bosome ana wo free Kotoku ana mpo wo ya abo akwani na unfree fie ho a yu hu free ntokwa nim me catch them say ntokwa na ye kon e very specific to for repenyin fie me catch them ento aso
please na ye Enweland we votarian u benye adwuma ye as against anakan no beer in the
Mate and okano JJ Rollins was so tribalistic that now we are ngwenani a u benye adwuma ye as opposed to akanini and any other tribe eno na me catch them na no say bibi catch them wo me spirit mu say the same thing ne besi say moto abana ma ba wo me a and oppositions ni nyina bakwa kopie northerners ho me say yete ho IGP be ye northerner Ghana Armed Forces pagini obey northerner Chief Justice be ye northerner Electoral Commission or the northerner IGP or the northerner all the head of Iyoko or the northerner be ye northerners nko because northerners no so mo ye ba kopa northerners ni ye ba kopa me adam hu say northerners no omo ye ba kopa primaries last year kwai omo fa so mutumi wi ma ba wo mi anya 100% e wo north ho Honorable Kennedy Japan, she moa or the abua northerners. She moa Honorable Kennedy abua northerners. Empona muni kania dundum joma hama na musi sebi ubedundum kania mamuda dum som. Two dear day, a Honorable Kennedy Japan and a tour generator a breta mali hospital for. As we basa woman to abama Honorable Keno, or mututia Honorable. Bebre ne tutia Alan. Etoma bawomia, because bawomia yumunia, northerner. Chilena Sunday, the make catcher will say. Me no the way na me hwe ade no mokoye mistake na mokotoma ba wo me a empo northerners na we NDC no no omo ne ba wo me anu ba akoye ba ako because omo ye northerners asemi ya making na no what they saying
you are watching Juicy News on
guy
YouTube.
What's his name okotena Paul Adomochiri show sukura kan ye friend no akoya de bia na obojo mahama achi what I share our America for chibi or northerner also we be a political party be refiniding de bia na obojo mahama achi or Binduri. There's a guy be politician be or Binduri ho. Or in fact, or campaigning my Honorable Ken Okura. Me kind of amebo. Or cast the same way. Ewo Paul Adomochiri shows about how our northerners normally one. Omi careful. You to
cause are there
are too bigger. Me da seminia are too bigger. Onwa. Or cast me make or can want a Paul Adomochiri shows. Or can Paul Adomochiri shows. Me say motoma bawomia. Northerners na wo NDC mo no omunyi na ne ba wo mia no bekwa akoye ba ako sa be di omo ho north and the only reason why ti omo ne ba wo mia bekwa akoye ba ako ne say omo be pia asantifo ni nyina ene mo akanfo ni nyina free MPP nim omo ba pamu mo afrim na omo asa ye no Northern People's Party bi so ba ka kire mo maka kyerɛ mo generation biara ne de esi nti sa woda so te MPP no na wo de ye ka usi wu wo se wo nte a tena ho yɛnto aso
dia no worse than Nia Rollins wey sefie ho no enko ha
mate na papa ne ka no o se de Akufo-Addo no mo ye no yanka se de achemfo ne ye no de Akufo-Addo no mo ye no change JJ Rollins tribalism no obey ye no because Akufo-Addo no mo de no they are not fighting for all achemso. They are fighting for a fear honkwa or for repaying fear nkwa and no money very dangerous. I say me there be a menganjram that Akufo-Addo ba so be build a dynasty. There be a Mr. Tikachiramu 4 years CD. A dynasty. Onya ye na got is a Chinese emperor. There be a na omo na edit ma Georgina video na the Bremen na me bon good evening. Ko me sha say me tia na me say and say me a me kan ye bi na historian in papa in king. You're welcome, Maj. I should be saying thank you to you. Thanks for coming back for this video. Me da say, me started say me can say away the mama saw me camera me say having my husband saw me prempe college meeting. I say mama so we na me so mapon. Enye easy o. Ti mo me enye careful. Yen to aso.
Onya wa bedi 8 years. Omo ehu chire wo Ghana hadumpa chaw achemfo kan. E kan omo ato bon say restricted to the fiefo. Okay, no ne ade say Ghana man etiase.
Yes. Na efie ho no kura no. Say the papa yi king say e restricted to oforipenyi fie no. Oforipenyi fie no kura eno na nanu na me chire mo no. There's a division. Monko bisa ye free fie wa busuafo no. There's a division. Ye wonana Oforiata say Oforiata the first. Me great grandfather ye wo ono na se eno ne ye nom. Eno ne president nom. Ken Oforiata nom. Gabi maame nom. Nana Santi Bedi etuo maame nom. Eno ne ye nom. Eni ye wo Oforiata the second for no ono so na se for. The first for no they feel more superior than Oforiata the second as for. Monko bisa wo msase me amike meboa. Monko bisa wo mo eno na me chire mo say mo na munnim president abusua pa no. Mobe notice says anytime a bibi besi we busuanum mo MPP fo ni bimpo mobe kwa koja wo mo no mo hu say ya na wo mo the red and yellow and to maybe egu wo mo ho that red and yellow no was supposed to distinguish the first fo no from the second fo no the first na se fo no o mo pa na red and yellow no eye wo mo symbol if you fra wo mo etwie na no nti me ye etwie na kanso a e ka bibia kire mo mo se mo ntia say o say papa na confirm nsama maka nyina that and komoya specifically to fear. And it means that impo amemoya Akufo-Addo bebu ye specifically a fear of one bebu or mine. That is why he surrounded himself with Ninia Bomti, Ken Oforiata, Gabi Ochredako, Nana Santi Bedi to Asa. And no catcher must say they are the only ones he can trust. Na MPP communicators sebe mumudo do na so nkwasiafo mutigumu Akufo-Addo wo munye na busuafo na busuafo ono mo nkwa na obetumi atrust wo ada so mo ye Ghana fo ontumi ne na tamfo nye na ka kire mo no so ontumi ne na tamfo nye adwuma ni nyina na o ka mo asem mo so adu esanse Ghana fo dodo na adwene no mu ndo enti mo so mo ahu mo nko bisa Oforiata the second na sefo wo chebi ho se omumu ahe and Akufo-Addo baye omo benefit from amemu no empo the first for no korano the first for na se for na make no korano still na your grades there are grades e first for them me first no grade 1 no me ka hu bi because of me maame enti na makasa for 4 years also omu to me for omo nsanka me na nkansa me amede manu yaka wo social media shi one say makasa for 4 years. But omu to be for mansanka me omu try kakra bi na me sa bo omu ma colonial masters for no me report omu ma colonial masters no enye easy the only reason because what the one sa come here then the whole world will know say Sebio what the one sa ka one kasa wunua pa ne ba e dey na wunua ne ba ye wunua ne ba ne criticize yo and na papa ne ka wa han enti nkomo na ye bo no wo ye MPP communicator enkotena baby nkoye nkwase adwuma e ma wo mu nko use for nkwase using in the name of Kokasama party no na ko defend wo mo because on na ye party ne onu di party ne as president ebusuya no kan bi wo say name no Oforiata kan bi
na me kan no say me shase and say Pacho metimetu aso. Oh, call. Two things. Two things. And also your 2 things are a chim for. Pacho me catch ma. Obi otie me dia say me who say I'm using it in a certain context. I'm talking about the for Penny Royal House. To your chin in a wuti.
Thank you. More I chim for na mwaka no say bi we need mo. Some more te. Nkomo ya ye bo emfa mo hu bi. Me na nsen ya omudi. Was it 2 years ago, 3 years ago? Omudi Nana Self-Furiata the first, the 70th anniversary. And was it 70? I think it was 70 years. Meteha, and so you try to my breme. And that's what Damadakam. Because you try to manama specifically. Eventually will be a bimum, but it was supposed to be specifically for Onona Sefu, Nema, Nenananum, and then Nanan Kansuanum. Na me bo mochi, but yet the media breme. And it them white, nenimu them. And papa neka he keeps repeating. Say asemi ekoshi. It has nothing to do with the rest of the achims. It has everything very specific to do with one particular household in Ghana.
Hot news all time.
So say who MPP communicate and yati wagum se kona ko defend no. Unyina so one saying. Unyina so one saying I will defend. What are you defending? You are not even a part of the family. So what are you defending? Who are you defending?
Yeah, I'm not talking about generally achim for bet. Okay. Now, Omuchi Noma Mienu Ewo Ghana Asante and Kwame Nkrumah.
Papa minimum professor minimum from nowhere. But one was and someone made them a common sense Ebubua Kekasi Achremunina and on also okay. Kakra meti fitimin kwara brim, kakra minim minini ya miamedi menihu, kakra omoba abe mumehu. Any dia air unfoldy. Emma mekura meet me draw conclusion. Once papa naka the same thing. And yema mienu no muchiri. And yema mienu na akufua do chiri. Any keno furiata nom, gabi nom. Yenti, anko ye chini yenti bi.
Dear Samebo. Okay. Now, Omuchi Noma Mienu Ewo Ghana Asante and Kwame Nkrumah.
Tino mobile ombedi di Asante hene atebono. Tina nyankopon bi e kwan ma wo mo munya tumi pe. And no much so mu didi otum fu atem. And it was Gabi and Bedi otu and no mu di otum fu atem. Because I don't need to say wo, I don't need to share wo mutiri. Our next enemy is Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Which Dr. Kwame Nkrumah DNA, they share it in common with MPP for yeah? The Niema 2 na oferi penny for fee Akufo-Addo nom omompeno. 1, say omompa asante for asebono. Of course, because omo ya chims no. The second one, which is Kwame Nkrumah, no, they share it in common with MPP for because eno na ne ene yebo otumfo video today we now ye hu se otumfo ankasa kwara ompe Kwame Nkrumah asem. Emo atumi aka akira asantefo se Kwame Nkrumah ompe yasem. Nti obi mpe wasem a wo so ompe na asem. Aha. Nti bon hu bebe ye keka ko. Ento aso.
Can you Omuchi Asante Kra and Omuchi Kwame Nkrumah.
Nti so Omuchi Asante and Omuchi Kwame Nkrumah dia, then it makes sense at the Kunti Akufo-Addo Ama Alan Amedi party nenim. Nti no Ama Alan Chiremati Amedi party nenim no. And the nususuntin of fighting Kennedy Japan so because Kennedy Japan kura was small connection to Asante. But then it surprises me Akufo-Addo ope Asenso Boachi asem. And Asenso do hune sa abo frenti. And wafane se ne babe mebisa. But generally no omompa Asante asem. Into Oma Alan Amedi party nenim. And he knew that from the dada. But utumi dada mo. E dada Ghana for dada Alan catch Alan say Alan you. Into ada o catch Alan say you will come after me na onim say Oma Alan ma. No nim oya mo frakadam. Into ade ya historian ike lawyer no che catch e kura confirm say Bawumia de no omo plan ye ne. Into it just happens say eye Bawumia. Senkenye Bawumia kura nka Akufo-Addo bepe northern afufro no de na sha name. Senka anko ye Bawumia mpoa anko bepe northern afufro no de na she or de na ye flag bearer. E de approve a kire Kufuor say mempemu asem. Tina yeso de nsa kopempem table show President Kufuor fi nansen a owie ne ye ka kire ne say ne onua ba wawu da shoro. That was when na Mrs. Kufuor yesi na ma me na free mu fresh because yeso omo ko meeting ye free ne meeting and na omo try ka kire ne say the way na ne ma ko na Ghana for ne bufu party for ne bufu do anko ongu said na establishment ni nyina akwa tai Bawumia chi no ongum or the nesa ko pimpim table so onje mu da Now by then I'll be to utmi nyane shame. After all, he's the president.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
So today we know why Wamala na Midi party nenim, nor Kennedy Japan, nor any of the woman tried to be last year. I die unimo, Kunedua Preku, Boache Jako, and no more market Kenya. Tina one book. And trust him. How you know? Asante baby yes. Asante ni kwa agri so mudi akanfo nyina so mu agene no. And for that matter Ghana hina. And asante wo to kasa no wato sabi. And the o mabufu kra so baby no kachi ya. O se wo kachi wo Ghana ha first and foremost you guys we asante. I don't know how on. And oh Mate, it's another thing how omo pa ni say automatically obia be na no na o kachi ya. It is assumed so we are Santini. They don't like it. They don't like it because they believe in their heads that they are powerful. And no much on a Japanese document forward on also much on a Japanese document forward on said they had never been defeated until 1957. And this is the Kwame Nkrumah the new bufu a year or because one Kwame Nkrumah one buy and we the Achims were defeated for the first time. That is what they are trying to say. Yeria yabeksa kwa Japadene ready forward the holy bible yanto aso kakra bin gawo
senya Kwame Nkrumah Nkrumah gire o se JB dankwa e be ye first leader of this country nti no ma me nu na hawo history mo Ashanti Empire ayanka Achimabuakwa Empire and the preeminence of Ghana the founder of the nation Nyanka JB dankwa say o founder of the nation
Kwame Nkrumah
these are the two things. These are the two things. In the Ghana 40 years, Sadia we asia, you better a Japanese deal, no, I say, you better so at Founders Day, no, I say, after that, you know, bloggers, you can find baby and debate na end it. Because maybe I want to say, it is a football 90 minutes, you so be a free pack. No,
and tomorrow I make catch them say a Japanese document because we now know the truth in that. We know the truth and we now know the history behind why they wrote the Japanese document. And the papa no show kano that bibia unyanti asieria unya. You see, there's how do I say this? You see, there's a point in one's life where you don't have the knowledge, you don't have the information. Because knowledge is information. Yeah, until you say people say knowledge is power, knowledge is power. But then some people also say, no, knowledge is not just power. Because you can have the knowledge, and if you don't do anything with the knowledge, then there's no power in it. So knowledge is potential power. Because knowledge only becomes powerful when you kick knowledge into action. You have the knowledge. If you have the knowledge and you sit on it, you will not achieve anything. But if you have the knowledge and you begin to apply the knowledge, then it becomes powerful for you. You can gain so many things out of it. So knowledge is not just power. Knowledge is potential power. Yeah. Now, knowledge is information. Once you have the information, you are no longer ignorant. Because once you have the information, you must now then come to a point of realization. Mimi drew the point of realization last week. Because a Japanese document about 4 years ago, I've been why? You know, we are asking who wrote it, why? What's the purpose? Why? We know, say the purpose, no, some of it is because they want to capture the state. But we now know the full history as to the why. So now that realization has come. Why do I continue making noise? Rather, no, I will now use the power, the knowledge that I have, which has made me now even more powerful, to go and vote against them. To go and vote against Bawumia. That is when your knowledge and your information becomes powerful. When you use that to create the change that you are looking for. But your Matia say, you must use the knowledge that you have today to now go and create change. Positive change. To end up a kano. Say bloggers, now that no kwarena babonteno, munju chengu muria ubianja same weka. In essence, the papers or catch the say, Yenyaika, name December 7th, no, let us go make a difference. Yankwaji yamai in free woman's. And we have the power. Say a beji or mine free woman's. We have the power. Say it is up to us whether we are going to use that power or relinquish the power and give it back to them through Dr. Bawumia. Me personally, I'm not going to relinquish the power. I will not relinquish my power and give it to them for a third time through Dr. Bawumia. I will not do that. Meje me mine. Me meje me mine. And I me to be a phone so say mommy enje mine. Until I start catch them say about one year kono. It is between nipa mienu say about one to me. Ejina Mr. Alanchire Martin and John Mahama so. 7 December about one. Say akojina nipa mienu peso. Alanchire Martin and John Mahama. And me mesra santifono to abane mahalan. Munto mahalan pa Ashanti region. There was a mutumi to mahalan. Kuyapim ho Eastern region ho nyina. Esa mutumi to mahalan. Central for Professor Nana Jane, Western Professor Nana Jane. You see, 2024 me can sembi. 2020 me can sembi chiremo. Amra na metabosa Akufo-Addo video no say we know government deserves a second term. We must not give them the sense of blah blah blah. Me catch them say sebio or tinkwemu President Akufo-Addo or tinkwemu na ewo say ye mani who say we have evolved. We must show him. But I want to know also oduwa ya nya careful. Obey use military and security against us because that is what dictators do. President Akufo-Addo or chair dictator, and that is what they do. They use the security, they use propaganda. Mun check it. Even Europe check Italian politics. Titeno history. Mun check it. Poland no money adi. Leaders like Akufo-Addo, they use two things. They use the security and propaganda. Tina debia me catch them say me best support Honorable Kennedy Japan Kakrebi last year. And I mean who say MPP does more propaganda than NDC. Debia me catch them. MPP, they do more propaganda than NDC. And they do very dangerous, damaging propaganda. MPP4. And you know why they do that? They do that because at the back of their minds, they know they have numbers. They know. That is why they will tell you that Omudin Kwasi said they know say Ashanti region alone cancels out about 3 regions. And that is why Obia didn't go Ashanti region so far about 2 years. Because a hona problem no one. A ho Ashanti region, a hona Ghana problem more. The way Ashanti for aba. Because of Omo programming, which we now know. Say ye dia sha Ashanti for trim. Say na Kwame Nkrumah mpe wo masem. Ade na Kwame Nkrumah mpe mo asem a. Kwame Nkrumah no kwa kwaji independence. Yes, you your mind. Any a pesek ye remaining mateme and a Kwame Nkrumah me auntie and no Kwame Nkrumah tena se shema abrofone de ye ka Ghana ho. Nanki embassy be a part of Ghana. There be say we are part of Ghana. You've been part of Ghana for 67 years. 67 years since independence. Asante has been part of Ghana. And you know, ya be ya hwene maybe ye kakra ya be sere papa ne sa education ya amonya more mayen.
Yo, it for waiting and some ababeto ye pono so Kause GC so and our no so we subscribe ya Omodian say we will subscribe to the channel. Nothing so we like video give us a thumbs up nothing share ma of so now we be here na wo and some episode Ghana memoir sanse hadie latest and hot news nkwa NMD Bremo also with me akire what can fire and some we nyina ho e wo comment box no obeti me in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.